Hello, this is Paul Bonington, Vice President and Publisher of ENR, coming to you from ENR's FutureTech conference in San Francisco. It's been a wild conference. We've had 300 people here and over 25 exhibitors. It's very exciting, and what you'll see are some commentary from those exhibitors.
FutureTech in particular, I think, was a really good show for us because it's allowed us to really get into the construction industry, which is a newer vertical for us. I think they're a really important part of our strategy. It allows us to get out and talk to customers, talk to folks, see what's happening in the industry, see what other people are doing.
We do appreciate being in front of a decision maker, somebody looking for a solution like PM Web that can bring great value to the company. The companies need to actually bring the technology to help bring those efficiencies to the company on a worldwide footprint. Be able to take away the clutter, but also accept that information right face to face. It's exactly what you're looking for. That'll always be the business model of choice.
We're so excited to be here today. We are here because we are a CRM and proposal automation solution specifically for the construction industry. So these are our people, and it's a great way to meet face to face with them. They say in the sales cycle it's a 7-point touch, but if you actually meet face to face, it brings it down to 2 or 3 points.
Part of what our philosophy as a company is to give the end user the tools to do the job they need to do. A lot of that decision making is done at the level of those users who are here. They're the ones who create the roadmap, they're the ones who okay the project, who move forward and pull the trigger. So for us to actually be here to influence those individuals as well as the end user, this is the perfect place for us to come. We're finding that there are a lot of people with a lot of different ideas of how to handle technology, and it's really kind of refreshing because we didn't really know what we were getting into, but it's neat to see all different walks of life. I think we've made a lot of really great connections, and we've been able to speak with people who didn't really know what we did, but hopefully we'll have relationships with them in the future.
There are certain segments that we are targeting, and ENR always seems to hit exactly what we're interested in. And at SAP, I think we're really the only vendor that can take from opportunity through closeout and facility maintenance. So those types of customers come to these events, and so that's why we need to be here.
Our business is online training for Autodesk software, and so obviously AEC firms use Autodesk software in all aspects of their business, and they're looking for scalable solutions, and obviously these are the technical decision makers and the people that make Autodesk training decisions, and so we've been talking to them.
It's so important for the construction industry to know leading edge, where are we headed next? What's the next efficiency gain they can utilize by implementing these technologies that are here? It's a great source of education. What's exciting for me is how excited they get about what they see and what they can do and how they can further use our solution to help their business, increase profitability, increase efficiency. People will ask me, how do you guys stand with clients our size? Otherwise, in other words, ENR customers, and I'm able to share some really good statistics with them, and we've worked hard to earn that too. So it's great to be associated with the ENR name.
We're a regular sponsor of the event, and it's certainly been a great networking opportunity. We have tons of clients here as well as prospects, so we really come here for the networking opportunity with all the folks here.
What you have here is some of the biggest thought leaders in the general contracting space, the architectural space, and so it's really the type of people we want to be working with. They also have the knowledge. They understand how important BIM is, particularly how we're actually leveraging BIM. So we're finding people are coming here. Our message is resonating with them well, and we think this is a great conference.